Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today actually I'm gonna install a train horn. Now I have something in the mail that's gonna come, and believe me, it's gonna give this car extra horsepower, believe me, a lot. But for now we're just gonna play around, F around a bit and install a train horn. Alright guys, so you can see the hole on this compressor. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put that hole on that one, so it's gonna stay like this or kind of like this, and then I'm gonna zip tie it. It maybe not be the best build. Wait, I think I can do it right now. There you go. Look, a couple of zip ties here and there. It will hold it still. Like I said, it maybe not be the best solid build, but it's I don't know. I don't want to spend extreme amount of money on this stuff, and $10 is already like $10 over the limit. Like I already paid $30 for this. I don't want to spend a lot of more money. I can zip tie it as good as it is right now, and hopefully everything will work. Like, alright, this is maybe boring for some, but this is enjoyable for me, so I'm gonna keep continue it. Alright, so I have a bunch of wire right now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it through the firewall right there. Then I'm gonna get inside the car, take it to place. I'm gonna put this button, and then I'm gonna extend it to here and see how much the length and cut it in half. It's already raining a bit. This is gonna be extremely wet work, but alright. And then we go to this side. This it is somewhere over there. Alright, there you go, I found it. Now I'm just gonna take it up there to the other side, to the to the driver's side, and then I'm gonna put it in the hole. Stay tuned. There you go. I got it from the passenger seat to the driver's seat. I'm gonna take it up here, in through here, and to this hole. What? There you go. And then through here. There you go. Alright, stay. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take this away, put it right there, see? Then I pull it out, and I'll just hold it from here and get the same threads, I think it is. I don't know if you call it threads, kind of that. Alright, now after I cut the wires, I'll feed them inside there and do exactly the same process. Alright, so give me a second. Alright, now I'm in the driver's seat. I fed them in through the firewall. I dragged them from the passenger seat and took them out of here. Now hopefully I'll be able to drag them out immediately. I'll just do the same thing. Correct. Now I'm just gonna put them with the button and drag them back. There you go. I'm gonna start cutting, or not cutting the wires, removing the excessive wires on them. I'm trying to get the best angle possible without dropping my camera. There we go. This is satisfying, actually. It's so satisfying. I'm just turning them around. There we go. Alright, I'm just gonna put them into this. Alright, there you go, people. I added them. I did it wrong. I added the red to the brown, but this is the plus one. I mean, both of the plus, is just that this is going to go into the compressor. Let me just add them right here. This. Alright, so now when that side is completely done, I'm gonna start adding the wires inside of here and then connect them to the compressor and see if they actually work. Alright, so I'm just basically gonna do exactly the same thing like I did inside of there. Alright, this is just a test. I'm just gonna test that it works. After I see it works, I'm gonna add a fuse. So alright, let's test it. I'm really proud of myself. The fact that I can actually do this makes me extremely happy. I'm so happy, I swear to God. Alright people, I've added the button. It works. See, it works. I glued it. I zip tied this. It's not moving at all, you see. It's still, it's really still. Now the last thing is literally adding these. Alright guys, finally I have installed them. You know what? Let's take it for a ride and let's see how it sounds like. Alright, I'm gonna test the horn. 3, 2, 1. Fucking hell. It's not that loud. It's not that loud, but it's funny. It's funny to have. Ain't that loud, but it's really funny to have. Jesus Christ. Fucking hell. Well, I'm gonna put my phone down because I'm driving. I'll pick it up later.